Hello guys and welcome back to the Devflix Series Wordpress Hosting on Linode from scratch. So far we saw how to install Apache server on our Linode instance. Let's see some more commands, which is service Apache to stop the Apache server. We won't be getting any page because Apache server is stopped. Service Apache to start the Apache server. Service Apache to restart to reboot the Apache server. And service Apache to reload the Apache server with latest configurations. So now in this video we will be creating virtual hosts. Let's move into a dev directory. This is the directory where source code of all of the websites live. So HTML directory is the root directory for that default site. So let's remove the index.html file from HTML directory. And now let's create a new file index.html with our contents into it. Nano is a lightweight command-based text editor like Vim. I'll put some code into index file, and when I'm done, I'll hit Ctrl or Command O to save and Ctrl and Command X to exit from Nano editor. So now let's give title Devflix, and in body let's give one heading, which is like hello world. Save. Let's try to access the IP now. Yeah, here we get our new contents. Now we know where all of our websites live. Let's create a new site. Switch to terminal, create a new directory into where dev. Create index.html file for this site too. I'll copy index file of default site into this site. Let's change the contents to get a different page when accessed. Let's try to reload the page. Still we get the same content. This is because Apache server still doesn't know about our new site. Let's move into etc Apache 2. So this is the place where all of the configuration file of Apache server lies. Apache2.conf is the main Apache 2 configuration file, and sites available is the directory where config file for each site live. Let's create a new config file for our site too into sites available. Best ways to copy the content of default site, create a new file and make changes into the new file. To check the content of any file, cat can be used. It prints the content of any file into terminal. Let's edit the Devflix server file and change the value of document root with the location where Devflix is installed. Now let's enable the site, which is done by sudo a2en site devflix.com, and let's disable the default site to make sure that when we access the public IP, we get the Devflix page. Now reload the Apache server with new configurations. Let's now try to access the public IP. But before that, we must do one more thing. We should change the permissions and ownership of our new site, which can be done by sudo chmod 755-r devflix.com to change the permission and sudo chown $user $user -r then the directory to change the ownership. Let's restart the Apache server. So here we go. We get our new page in the browser. I'll reload. Guys, that's it for now. I'll be back with another such cool video. Please like, share, comment below and subscribe to this channel to get regular updates.